Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the mysteries of the universe and explore the secrets of manifestation. Today, we're going to share with you a powerful tool that can help you bring your desires into reality. It's called the 369 method, and it's a simple yet profound technique that can help you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions to manifest your deepest desires. So, let's get started. The 369 method is based on the concept that our thoughts and emotions have the power to shape our reality. It's a simple yet powerful tool that helps us focus our energy and intentions on what we want to manifest in our lives. Our brains are wired to respond to patterns and rhythms. When we repeat a phrase or mantra, our brain starts to recognize the pattern and starts to align our thoughts and emotions with it. The 369 method uses this principle to tap into our subconscious mind and reprogram our thoughts and emotions to align with our desires. So what do these numbers mean? The number 3 represents creation, manifestation, and growth. The number 6 represents balance, harmony, and stability. And the number 9 represents completion, fulfillment, and spiritual awakening. When we combine these numbers, we get a powerful equation that helps us manifest our desires. The 369 method is all about using this equation to tap into our subconscious mind and bring our desires into reality.